Hello, good morning and good evening everyone. Today, magluto naman tayo ng ginisang kalabasa at saka talong na may pugo egg or quail eggs. Guys, no? At lagyan na natin ng 2 kutsara na mantika at saka lagay natin ang ahos or garlic and also white onions, no? So, hangu-hanguin lang natin at saka tomatoes. So, imimix-mix lang natin guys. At pagkatapos niyan, ilalagay na natin ang squash, no? Very delicious ang squash guys. Kasi malabo masyado. At halu-haluin lang natin. At lalagyan natin siya ng beef powder or beef stalks. Yan, na 1 kutsara. At ilagay na natin ang talong or eggplant. So, lalagyan natin ng tuyo ng 2 tablespoon. Yan, halu-haluin lang natin. And also, 1 tablespoon ng black pepper. At kalahating cup na tubig or 1/2 cup water. So, halu-haluin lang natin. At pagkatapos, ang quail egg or pugo egg. So, yan. At halu-haluin natin, guys. Palambutin natin ang squash and also the eggplant. So, bago tayo mag-continue ay subscribe. Please subscribe, like, share, and leave comment. Thank you to all my supporters, silent viewers. Thank you for support. Don't forget to post the notification bell so every time I upload my video, you always updated. God bless you all. So, yan. At nilagyan natin ng sugar ng 1 tablespoon. Hindi ko nilagyan ng asin, guys, kasi yung beef stock, beef powder ay may salt na yon. So, tatakpan lang natin. Yan. At malapit na, malambot na, malapit nang maluto. So, yan guys, tikman natin. O, lalagyan natin ng soy sauce. So, sobrang katakam-takam. Masarap siya guys. Subukan nyo. Sobrang sarap. So, halu-haluin lang natin, malapit na matapos. Yan, kaunti na lang para makain na natin ang ating stir-fry eggplant at saka kalabasa or squash with quail eggs. So, now, tapos na guys. So, don't forget to subscribe again, like, and share. Shout out to all my supporters, silent viewers, and subscriber. Please don't forget to subscribe and likes and share. Thank you, and God bless all. See you my next video. Smell good and very yummy.